thunderstorm warning for southern Lincoln County and Middle Tennessee until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large destructive hail up to baseball size. This storm was located near Ardmore, or 15 miles southwest of Fayetteville, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Teft, Kelso, Camargo, Flintville, Lynch, Cache Point, Mulberry, Skinham, and Harms. A tornado watch remains in effect for the area. The tornado associated with this storm is located to the southwest over northeastern Limestone and northwestern Madison County. A tornado is not imminent, but could impact Lincoln County after 5:45 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter, preferable inside a strong building, and away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time Monday evening for central Tennessee and northern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Lincoln County, Tennessee.